In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML or embed codes in Wix. Let's start inside your site. Log into your Wix account, open the site you want to work on, and make sure you're in the Wix editor, the main visual design view where you can drag and drop elements. If you see a simplified interface, switch to the full editor so you have access to all the tools we'll use today. Next, we'll bring in the embed code element. Look to the top left and click the plus icon to open the Add panel. In the search bar, type Embed Code, then select the embed code element that appears. Drag it onto the page and place it exactly where you want your third-party content to show up, whether that's a map, a sign-up form, a booking widget, or a video. Take a moment to position it cleanly. Keep it away from headers and footers, and make sure it doesn't cover important text or buttons. Give it some breathing room so it looks intentional and stays readable across different screen sizes. Now it's time to paste your code. Click the Embed Code box on the canvas and choose Enter Code in the toolbar or settings. A code field will open. Paste the snippet you got from your provider. This might be an iFrame for Google Maps, a form embed, or another widget. Before you apply it, scan the snippet to ensure every link uses HTTPS, not HTTP. Wix requires secure content, and non-secure links can be blocked or simply fail to load. When you're confident it's correct, click Apply or OK to insert it. With the embed in place, adjust its size. Drag the corners to make the box wide and tall enough so the content fits without awkward scroll bars or cut off edges. Then click Preview in the top right to open a live preview. Check that the widget loads quickly and behaves as expected. Maps should pan and zoom, forms should accept input, and videos should play smoothly. If anything looks cramped, jump back to the editor and fine-tune the position or dimensions. If the content doesn't appear, troubleshoot with a few quick checks. Confirm the code is complete and that every URL is HTTPS. Verify the provider allows embedding on external sites. Some services restrict where their widgets can run. And if Wix flags a piece of the snippet, remove restricted scripts and use only the approved embed code supplied by your provider. That's how you add HTML or embed codes in Wix. By inserting the embed code element, pasting a secure HTTPS snippet, and adjusting the size, you can easily bring in maps, forms, and third-party tools directly on your page. Thanks for watching.